Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Psalm 119, verse 105. This verse emphasizes the importance of God's word as a guide for believers, illuminating their way through life's journey. The imagery of a lamp and light suggests that God's word provides direction, clarity, wisdom, and help individuals navigate challenges while making righteous decisions. It encourages believers to trust in God's word and to obey its guidance, leading to a more fulfilling and righteous life. Be blessed, my friends, and have a wonderful day.